Mixing bowl. I don't think we've got mixing bowls. We've got to make 2 lots of dough. Basically, guys, has bought these gingerbread kits. Like, the gingerbread doesn't already come made. So this is going to take us so long. We need bowl, unsalted butter. Is Lurk pack unsalt? Slightly salted. Oh, okay, I'll do. A deep saucepan. Measuring scale. I bet you don't have an idea. I've got a measuring jug. Yeah, but that don't measure grams. Do you know what, honey? Look what I freaking got. Yeah, bad boy. They don't say grams. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. Just convert it. Right, we're gonna have to, aren't we? Flour. Oh, is that a Joe? No, we need flour. Is that a Joe? It's just, that's so easy. We don't even need it. Is that good enough? Or should we just f it? I think we should just f it and spin it, innit? Woohoo! Well, we need a knife as well. Okay, I'll get a knife. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello girly girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by Chad. Hello. Basically today what we are going to attempt to do is, well, we were going to try and make it a competition so that we make gingerbread houses each, but I kind of didn't realise that it actually takes a lot more than just this box. Yeah, because stupid house bought the wrong thing. I thought it would be like the gingerbread pieces inside and you just had to like stick them all together. Luckily we don't need flour because that's one thing I don't have. Yeah. Oh my god, wait, we don't even... Oh. What? Oh. 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 That looks... And in the side of the box we have 2 packets of golden syrup, we have our gingerbread mix, we have our royal icing, our green royal icing, jelly babies and a piping bag. I'm really like shocked at how good this is. I don't think my bowl's gonna be big enough. Oh guys, yeah, that's a joke, come on, like that really does not make me feel very nice. 50. I'm gonna use the old bloody tub here. Another one! Yeah. Why? Wait, that literally makes me put all kinds of sick. How it go to waste? Shouldn't like on that. This is literally the most therapeutic thing. It's like slime. Oh bitch, I tell you how much I love golden syrup. Don't wash your hands now. That's what a real one would say. But joke's on you because I'm just gonna lick the pan. I've actually never watched porn. Have you serious? Yeah. Right, so we're at the stove for some. You haven't even turned it on. Gotta press this button here. So this is the current stage of the mixture. What have you done now then, Darren? Fill it up. I'm gonna leave. You'll laugh. How many packs have you been smoked? Spill it on the goddamn stove. Ooh, wow. Wow, cooking with jazz. Jazz and Has. Oh my god. That's like a collab name. Oh, we're starting to boil. Can you hear that sizzling? I can, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear it at home? Morgan doesn't know that I've stolen its money. She's literally great. We love Jill. Hashtag bring Jill back. I'm gonna develop some form of illness. Careful, because if this stuff goes on you, it's gonna be hard. We love a BBC presenter. Ooh, Darren. I feel like I need a bit more man. I don't think you do. Okay, I want the lot, Jazz. Now we need to knead it with your hands. Looks like lumpy gravy. Oh, it smells so good though. Well, actually no, this is quite good. I mean, yours looks literally like dog sick. Mine's quite good. This is promising, boy. You think I have good upper arm action, but I really don't. You're this. Lightly dust your work surface with flour. Luckily we don't need flour because that's one thing I don't have. Yeah. A good substitute for flour is apparently flour. Whoa, you can mold it! Whoa! We can do this! We can do this, Darren! Yeah! Why are you having that much? Oh my god, I can play with this forever. Oh my god, this is so fun. Oh my god, I can't stop touching it. Right, well I'm nearly smooth by now. Oh, is that what we were doing? Yeah. I thought we were just having a bit of fun. Who needs a rolling pin these days? Not us. No! My mind, so let me know. But my body's telling me yeah, baby. Woo! I got it! Right, is that noise? Should we just do like gingerbread balls or something? I feel it. Different size ones. Yeah, I'm gonna make a really big one. Oh, why are they so far apart? Come on, pennies. My god. That's good. That is so good. That's not fair. Boobies. Why are we so childish? Like any 12-year-old watching this is like, I just wanted to make a gingerbread house. Remember kids, boobs aren't always the same size.
Here you can see we are doing variations.
I'm really glad that we decided to go in this direction with YouTube. We will be back when we have all of our designs finished. I really regret that.
Me too. My well good.
Yeah, so is mine.
It's got a bit of a wonky ball, there we go.
This is an aspiration for anyone that's curious. You versus the boy she tells you not to worry about. So something's happened.
Bye guys, this is getting really, really hard.
I feel like these are very accurate. This is me!
Right, well mine's worked out perfectly.
I'm so happy for you. I suggest getting a bigger bowl, those at home, who are following along with this tutorial. Oh my god, I could call it Christmas and Elfie bits.
With has and jars.
Oh my god. Why does it taste like I need some orange juice. Oh wow, you are really good. I hope it dries like that. I really don't know what came over me.
I think I do. Shout out to people like our age watching this, we'd be so immature.
My dick is green.
Happy.
It's burn your balls.
I want the balls to go back to their normal shape. Ew, it's got wrinkles on.
Merry Christmas.
That's really good. Did you ever watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
Oh, my dick's gone wrinkly.
Love that for you, honey. Merry Chrysler.
It says Happy Christmas. We both want you to have a
Merry Christmas. Oh.
Right there, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Because we want you to have a
Happy Christmas. So then I have
big cook and little cook over there.
Big tit, little tit. That's so immature. Basically, I based this off of Anna's. Sorry, Anna.
Now
We've got the areolas.
Oh.
The one that got away. So that's that. Seeing as we're missing some boys in our life this Christmas. We're not going to say the word. We're just going to show it. It's that part of the Grinch.
Please overlay that.
Grinky.
Like the Grinch.
You know what, Ellen and Neil, this is Shrek. It's just for you. Oh. Oh.
Oh. That's not cooked. That's really not cooked.
I'm gonna eat the tit. Oh wow, that was a crunchy one.
Snap the tits in half.
Just do it normally. I just have like a few things to say. I'm really sorry. It started off so innocent. I'm the brunette version and less titty and booby.
Titty and booby. Same word, son. I'm less titty and booby. And less titty, yeah, you're alright there, booby.
Right guys, I think that is the end of the video. I really don't even have any words to say anymore, so make sure you go over and check out Jazz's channel. It'll be in the description. After this I don't even think you want to. Probably unsubscribe from me as well. I really wouldn't blame you.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
I'm gonna wee myself, Jazz. Yeah, this video really needs to end. All of my links will be in the description below if you fancy it.
Subscribe to our second channel, Has a Jazz Cook. Titty and booby.
Titty and booby.